Alright guys, here we go. Another one.
Your safety is very important to us. We ask that you pause a moment to give your attention to the
flight on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason. You. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member.
Alright, y'all. We made it to where we made it to? Where we made it to?
Florida.
Made it to Florida, man. Tampa, Florida. I thought she was gonna say the city. She ain't wanna say nothing, y'all, but we here. We in Tampa. Hold on. Yo, y'all rocking with the fit, man. That's something like. Put it together last minute. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got the SBCs on. Stop being cheap. We here though. Yep, we in an Uber, headed to the destination. It's not a driving vacation, man. This vacation is about getting lit, getting nice. What's the vibes? We got games in the back. We ain't got this in New York.
Yes, we do.
Shit, not the Ubers I be in.
You don't even go on Uber, so please.
I go in enough.
Boy, if you don't get